What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Google Search Console has introduced a new feature that allows creators to connect their YouTube channel and see how their videos are being discovered through Google Search. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to record my screen and walk you through the process step by step. So let's jump into it. Let's go. All right, so I got my Google Search Console right here. I'm going to go to Overview, okay? All right, and then I'm going to go to Properties right here at the top. Just click where it says Properties right there. We're going to click Add Property. And then you're going to see right here, it's going to say YouTube. So I'm going to click Add YouTube. And I want to add my Pastor Dre YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right. And then I'm going to click Add Property. Okay. So it's going to add the property to Google Search Console. There it is. Done. So now what's going to happen is you're going to see this option right here where it says Pastor Dre YouTube. I can click on that. And then it says we are processing your data and gathering insights. Check back within 48 hours. So this is a powerful feature that you can now add to your Google Search Console and connect your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.